Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to moisturize, moisturize and hydrate my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Thank you for showing me love and supporting me. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Blend. Next, I'm using a darker concealer to contour my nose. To contour the nose. I'm using a brush to blend the concealer. Then I'm using a beauty blender to blend it so that there won't be any harsh line. Next, I'm using a darker foundation to contour my cheek and my forehead. Dark foundation to contour the cheek and the forehead. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my face. To set the highlight, set the whole face. Pressed powder. All the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. All the names. Next, I'm using a setting powder to bake. To bake and to leave under my eye for eyeshadow fallout. So that when I'm doing my eyes, all the fallout from the eyeshadow from my eyes will be on the powder and not on my skin. So I'm going to leave the powder under my eye. Next, I'm using a brush to clean up my contour, clean up the powder to define it. Next, I'm using a bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. To bronze and contour my cheek and my forehead. Next, I'm using my setting powder to define my cheek contour. Next is brows. Brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows and define the brows more or better. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer for my eyes. Concealer as eyeshadow base, concealer as eyeshadow primer for the eyes. Concealer for the whole eye as eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base. Next is eyes. I'm using this light. It looks like light orange in real, but on camera it looks like light yellow. but in real it's like orange, light orange. For my crease first, then I'm using a purple for my outer crease, purple shade for my outer crease. Next, I'm using this lemon shade for my inner crease and lid. Inner crease to the middle, to the whole eyelid, not the whole eyelid, just my inner eyelid. Lemon lime shade. Lime lemon. That purple is coming out like pink on camera. So I changed the color and I'm using a dark blue. That purple that I use on my outer crease looks like pink on camera. So I changed it. I'm using a dark blue for my outer crease. Next, I'm lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner with a little wing. Liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm using NYX Milk Zumbo pencil. NYX Milk Zumbo pencil. Then I'm using that blue, dark blue I use on my outer crease for my lower lash line. Next is mascara to remove all the eyeshadow on my lashes, on my natural lashes. Use the mascara to remove it. Then my lashes. I'm wearing my lashes now. My false lashes. Adding a little bit more of that blue shadow on my lower lash line, then blending the whole face with powder puff. Blend, blend, blend. Then adding a little blush for my cheek. Blush up the cheek. Add a little color to the cheek. Next is highlighter to highlight the face. Highlighter to highlight the face and to define that contour. Highlight the nose. Next is a little mascara for the lower lash line. Little mascara for the lower lash line. Just a little. Next is lips. I'm using two lipstick. The dark one to line my lips, then the orange shade for my lips. Yeah. Good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for your support, your love, and subscribing to my channel.